Next, we're going to talk about marketing. This is the formula to represent yourself. It's easy to explain, but very hard to do. And I'm going to go through it step by step. There are three elements. One is called WIFM, W-I-I-F-M, which follows the equation it or this will make or give you, and then you give some sort of a result, an impact, an emotion. It's a sentence. It's brief and to the point. So again, it's it or this will. The word will is an affirmation. The make or give, that's you having a definitive. And then the word you is talking directly to the audience. We'll talk about that in a little bit. Next, it's the rascal factors, R-A-S-C-I-L. This is the who or the what. There's reliability, authenticity, simplicity, completeness, illustration, and location. We'll talk later about the rascal factors when we talk about reliability and authenticity being the who, and simplicity, completeness, illustration, and location being the what. Both the WIFM and the rascal factors are tied together with the 5 W's. The 5 W's is essentially Journalism 101. Who, what, when, where, why. There's an overall picture that shows how the 5 W's pull together the WIFM and the rascal factors. The WIFM represents what's in it for me. That's the passion. That's what the audience is asking. The who and the what, that's the rascal factors. The R and the A, the reliability and authenticity, that's the who. And the what is the SCIL, the simplicity, completeness, illustration, and location. The when and the where of the 5 W's are the following. The when is any type of time frame. You can be very flexible with that. The where is any type of location, and also you can be very flexible with that. And the why, that's the WIFM, W-I-I-F-M, which represents what's in it for me. That's what the audience is asking. We answer it with an equation. It or this will make or give you, and then some sort of an impact or an emotion. Let me give an example, and then we'll talk a little bit later on about the WIFM. The WIFM, what's in it for me? Again, that's the question your audience is asking. If you were Stephen King and you were writing a scary novel, you might say, for example, it will make you scream, or this will give you chills. Did you notice that the last word is an emotion? The WIFM, the what's in it for me, is intended for you to speak to the audience, to their heart, not to their head. You're responding to the emotional impact. So again, as an overview, marketing has 3 elements. There's the WIFM, which is what's in it for me. That's what the audience is asking for. Then there's the who and the what. That's represented by the rascal factors, R-A-S-C-I-L. And then there's the 5 W's. The 5 W's is essentially Journalism 101. Who, what, when, where, why. The 5 W's ties together the WIFM and the rascal factors, along with a time frame and a location. All of this together will be used to create a news release. This is how you communicate to the media, who in turn communicates to your audience. We're going to go into detail for the WIFM, the rascal, and the 5 W's.